Babe, you want to tell everybody what happened today?
I got puppies.
How many?
9 puppies.
There's one right here. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our baby Molly, our oldest baby mama. She's so good. Yes, you are. You're such a good girl. Thursday night, 9 puppies. I'm not sure if there's one more in there, but 9 puppies. And so far we counted how many? So far 6 girls. Is this a boy?
I don't know what it came out to be.
Yeah, it's a boy. 6 girls, 3 boys.
I got puppies today.
How do you feel? We're
I feel like
grand fur babies again.
I'm a...
How many? So far 6 girls. And is this a boy? Were you recording while I'm vlogging too?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
6 girls, 3 boys.
Let me see.
I got puppies today.
How do you feel?
I feel like
Grand fur babies again.
We'll keep you guys updated on the puppies. They will be needing
make
homes.
it public.
We are
Some
going to try so hard to get these babies homes. I already have 4, like I told you guys, but I get very attached to puppies, especially since they're born and I have to raise them for 6 weeks. It's hard. It's going to be my second litter going through this, so wish me luck. Wish Mama Molly all the luck. Oh, enjoy. Yeah, you good girl. Yeah. Yeah, puppies really drain her out, so, but I'll keep you guys posted if you guys want to see puppy updates. This is day 1, so today is Thursday the 26th, right? March 26th. And it is, what time is it?
8:42.
8:42. I think she's done, so I don't think we're going to expect number 10 anytime soon. All right, Molly? I'll turn down the brightness. There you go. Yep. Oh, that little feet. Oh, the little bumps. Okay, guys. We will be back with another video. This is just a big surprise, so trying to keep up with vlogging. I will definitely get better at editing, and we will finally sit down and do an actual intro video, right?
We'll see.
Okay. Well, like always, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe on our video. On our channel.
Wow.
Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, share, all that good stuff. But if you are in the DFW area in Texas and you want one of these beautiful, gorgeous angels, like I said, so far we have counted 6 girls, 3 boys. Most of them will be up for sale, so, and wanting for good homes. Day 1. Say bye.
Adios, motherfuckers.
It's supposed to be PG-13, cabrón. Ow, it hurt my butt. Cochino.
I farted.
Nasty. Alright, well, I'm pretty sure you guys would want to keep watching because of the puppies. Bye, guys.